Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. And styling services, I like to try a wide array of ones, and even ones that people really haven't heard of or haven't seen much of. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for watching. I so very much appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Let's get into this. I have not filmed a video, it feels like, in quite some time. I'm still struggling to find time to edit and post videos, so I'm kind of like posting old videos when I can and trying to get caught up, and I'm not caught up. And in the meantime, I kind of had a lull between boxes, which means I just purchased a whole bunch of different boxes because for some reason I can't stand not having boxes, which is really great for my financial goals. Sarcasm. So today I have a Thrift2You, and I am super excited about this. I haven't done a Thrift2You since very early on in my channel, and I really enjoy the box. If you're not familiar, it is a styling service for thrift clothes. So they have two box options. You can get 4 items for $45 or 7 items for $75. The items are yours to keep. If you have enough items to return a full box, which means, you know, 4 items in a small box or 7 items in a 7 box, you will get a replacement box for free, and they will just charge you for shipping. There is shipping costs on top of the prices I told you for the 4 items and 7 items. Just want to let you know that. They are all thrift items, but it is a great deal. Those costs I gave you are for you to keep everything that's in the box, and you have a stylist who is going out and shopping for you. I think I put her through the ringer this time because I asked for a full outfit. I just really enjoy doing that in some of my boxes, getting full outfits to see how a stylist would pull things together. And, you know, stylists are just better at outfits than I am, so I love seeing that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, there is a link below if you want to try Thrift2You. It's not a referral link, it's just a link to their website, so go to town. And, alright, I am so excited. Okay, so let's dig in here. There's information about, you know, the box and what to send back and things like that. Their Instagram, Facebook. I'll just hold that up, that if you guys want to see that, you can see that. I will not read the stylist note for you guys. I will read it myself and let you know if there's anything I want to share. But first, let's dig into the clothes. Okay, first off, ooh, interesting. We have a pair of black pants. They're Ann Taylor. They have a zipper here at the bottom, if you guys can see that. And then they do have pockets in the front and back. Well, I really like these. They are my size. They are petite, which I always appreciate petite. So far, so good. And then we have, ooh, that feels like shoes. Then we have this, oh, interesting. Okay, so this is like a vest top. This is by Ambiance Apparel. I know I've seen that brand before. Just a kind of a burgundy material here on the front, and then almost like a faux leather material there on the back. That's cool. That's very unique. I like that. Okay. My third item here is a two-piecer, it seems like. Okay, so there is this 3/4 sleeve shirt in a tan color, almost a taupe. It's really small, but I think it's meant to be like a layering piece. It feels very stretchy. And this is from Moda International. And then the other piece here is, oh, it's a scarf. Oh, very interesting. So, okay, great. And then, last but not least, ooh, slipped out, shoes. Ooh, well, would you look at that? Toms, a pair of Toms. They still have a tag on them, so I'd say these are brand new. They're 6 wide, so hopefully they're fit. I don't really have wide feet, but I used to wear 6.5, so I feel like the extra room will be perfectly fine. These are beautiful. Okay, so that's my full outfit. All right, can't wait to get this on and get it together. Thank you to my stylist. I love everything. This is awesome. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is my outfit and I love it. I think it is so much fun. It is unique. I just really enjoy it. So I guess let's start at the bottom up. So first of all, the Toms, they fit amazingly, and I have a pair of brand new Toms now. So that's exciting. I actually don't own any Toms, so I own some Tom knockoff or similar ones that I got at the store Five Below, so you can imagine how long those last. Alright, and then the pants. Perfect length. They fit perfectly. They are an interesting mix between like a dress pant and a casual pant, but I think it'd be a great casual Friday black pant. And something, if I do want something a little bit dressier than denim, I think these will work. And again, perfect length. Yay! So that's cool. And then we have the tops. So you got the tan top, which again, it is a snug top, but it's meant to be a layering piece, and I think it's great. I think it's cute to have something like this, and I'm always looking for pieces to layer. And then you have this kind of vest cardigan, and you can see how it looks from behind. And I think that's really cute. I think this is a fun outfit, not something I would have picked out for myself, which is why I have a stylist do it. So fun outfit, super cute. Good job to my stylist, and let's do a quick recap now. Just to recap for you guys, I'll go through what I got and what I thought of it real quick, and my overall thoughts on the box. Let's get to it. Okay, first of all, the Toms. The fact that these were brand new, tags on them, clearly on the soles, they've not been worn. So these are a great deal to get in a $45 box. I mean, even if these were just alone in there, just is a great deal. So that's awesome. Love these. You're gonna probably see these in a bunch of try-ons because I keep just slipping them on, and really happy with these. Okay, then we have the pants. They fit really well. I definitely think I'm gonna get some use on it. Don't mind the cat hair. I don't know if you see it. My cat loves boxes. Well, all cats love boxes. So my cat is a cat, and he laid down on these clothing items. So thank you to my cat. Anyways, so dress pants, they fit great. I really like these. I'm definitely going to get some use out of these, so happy with that. And then we have the top, I guess I'd call it the half sleeve top. I felt like this is going to be a great layering piece. I have other vests, other things that I'm going to layer this with. So I'm really happy with this. It does come with a scarf. I may use this scarf as like a belt or something like that. That's what my stylist had recommended in her note, was maybe using this as a belt for something. And then the vest cardigan top, I just think is a really cool piece. Not something I'd ever pick out for myself, but I really love, and I feel super cool in it. So I'm really happy to wear this, and I've got, you know, other pieces I can mix and match this with. So this was a really fun box. I love getting a whole outfit. That's just like one of my favorite things to do. Really appreciative of my stylist because I think she ran to a whole bunch of different places getting this outfit together for me. And I think this box is always a great deal because you're getting 4 items for just $45, and you can return them later if you get enough pieces to put into a box, which I did do last summer. I actually returned a box and got a new one and only paid the shipping, and lost all the film on that, and it just never made it to YouTube land. But just know that I've gone through the process, and it worked great. So thank you to Thrift2You. Hopefully you guys like this box. I will, oh, this is very important. I said before I did not have a referral link, but I actually have a referral code that will get you $5 off of your first box. And it is Jen of Indiana. I'm writing this right here in the video, Jen of Indiana. Put in that code, you can get $5 off of your first box. So go try it. Hopefully you love it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.